Hey everyone, I hope you are doing well. In this quick video, I will show you how to file a dispute in Venmo. So once you identify a transaction that needs to be disputed, you can start a dispute inside your Venmo app or the website. So when filing a dispute, you will want to choose the situation that best describe the reason for your dispute. So you can follow these steps to open a dispute. So first you have to go to the Me tab and then select the transaction you want to dispute. Then tap on Need Help option, and then you have to select the statements that describes your situation. To include other unauthorized transactions, you can select the Add More. After selecting your transactions, you can tap on Add button. Once you do that, tap the Next, add any additional information that you like to add, and then click on Submit Issue button. If prompt, you can reset your Venmo password if it required. So that is how you can file a dispute in Venmo. If this video was helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.